Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius, fire sign. This is November weekly reading from November 9 to November 15th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So it's your reading and it's your card Temperance. Maybe you're dealing with Scorpio or another Sagittarius. Scorpio or you're dealing with Leo. Under the deck, the Hermit, maybe you're dealing with Virgo. I think Sagittarius, right now you are going through some transformation, or for some, in near future you will go through some transformation. For some, it is a major shift for you, major transformation for you, Sagittarius. And Seven of Pentacles, definitely you are waiting for someone or something here. Yeah, I think you are feeling stuck. Maybe you have some fears regarding something. Maybe you are feeling stuck or addicted here. Yeah, you want to take control of the situation, or you want to take control of your life here. Justice, or some of you want to cut off someone from your life. So let's see your reading, Sagittarius. So recent past, the Hangman, Page of Wands and Temperance. So in recent past you were feeling like stuck. Definitely for some you are in some confusion. There was some communication. Maybe you are waiting for some communication from someone. I think there is no balance, or you are trying to balance things within yourself in recent past. Maybe you are patiently waiting for something here because Seven of Pentacles is here. Then present, Ten of Cups, Six of Wands and Ten of Pentacles. I think present is very good. There is financial stability. I think you are creating more money. Your financial status is very, very good, Sagittarius, because Ten of Pentacles with Six of Wands. You are getting success in your career. Lots of you creating more money. Yeah, Ten of Cups, you are happy with your work. And relationship wise also you want success. Maybe some of you are very happy with your partner right now. Then future death, Three of Pentacles and Strength. Definitely you are going through some transformation here, and you are working on your finances. I am seeing you are thinking about more money here, not about relationship. You are thinking about more your career and your money. Yes, you want to become very, very strong person because the Strength card is here. Definitely after the transformation you are becoming like very strong person because the Strength card is here. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Especially Leo or Sagittarius or Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions, Sagittarius. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. So under the deck, Nine of Swords. I think they are thinking about you a lot. There is overthinking is going, and yeah, definitely your person feeling lonely. They're feeling rejected. They're feeling alone here. They also, I think lots of you, for some, those who are in separation, there is no contact, definitely. Because you are in hermit and they are also in hermit mode. That's why no contact situation between you and your person. So let's see their current feelings and intentions towards you, Sagittarius. Your person current feelings and intentions. Emperor, Two of Pentacles and the Lovers. Maybe you're dealing with Gemini. So let's see their intentions also. Justice. Maybe you're dealing with Libra here. Five of Pentacles and Ten of Cups. Okay, so under the deck, Queen of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, Strength, and the Magician. Definitely they are manifesting you here for some Sagittarius. And strength. Your person is also very strong person here. You both are very independent and powerful people. Your person is also emotionally very strong. Yeah, they are waiting for right time here. And maybe your person in their life, there is some shift is going. And Queen of Wands, definitely they want to take action towards you, but they are waiting for right time to approach you here. And your person is like, sometimes they're being very selfish with you, because Queen of Wands, they also want to take care of themselves. So let's see their current feelings. The Emperor, Two of Pentacles, and Lovers. Definitely there is love between you and your person, but for some, your person have ego. That's why they're not making right move towards you. But because they're juggling here, their ego is stopping them. Maybe something is stopping them to come forward. But there is love here because the Lovers card is here. And their intentions, Justice, Five of Pentacles, and Ten of Cups. So they want second chances for sure, because now they're feeling they left out in the cold. Definitely they're feeling alone, they're feeling rejected, they're feeling neglected. Now they're feeling the same way when you feel in the past. So they want second chances for sure, because Ten of Cups with Justice. And for some marriages involved, maybe one person is already married here. Yeah, kids also involved in this relationship. But they want second chances. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. But they're not expressing their feelings because they want second chances, but they're in Emperor mode. That's why they're not expressing. They're juggling here. They're trying to balance things. Yeah, the Sun. Maybe you're dealing with Leo here. And Eight of Wands. Wow, communication. And Ace of Cups. They do love you. And they are thinking about you in a very positive way. And Eight of Wands, they want to communicate with you. Lots of communication is coming. And yeah, you will receive text or communication from your person. And the Fool, they want brand new beginnings with you, Sagittarius. Yeah, marriage is involved. Marriage and commitment is coming here. Things are changing from this side. I think after no contact, they are finally going to reach out to you through communication. I think you are guarded up right now. And you are thinking, maybe you have to make some choice here. Right now, you are not sure about which choice you have to make. That's why you are guarded up, Sagittarius. But they are coming with a lot of passion here. But one thing, be careful with this person, because night's always in and out of your life. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person, Sagittarius, Ace of Wands. Hermit, maybe you're dealing with Virgo. Again, the Lovers. And yes, definitely marriage is involved. You're both going through some transformation, but still passion is there, still attraction is there. That's why they're coming towards you. Still everything is there between you and your person. Yeah, divine timing and manifestation. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Sagittarius. Fire sign. Maybe you're dealing with Taurus here. It's sign. Age difference. For some, maybe you both have age difference here. I'm feeling sad without you, and I want to be with you forever. I'm feeling sad without you. Age difference. I'm feeling sad without you. These are the messages from your person. And so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Sagittarius. Look at the bigger picture, full moon in Sagittarius. So look at the bigger picture. full moon in Sagittarius, and meditate and contemplate new moon in Pisces. Maybe you're dealing with Sagittarius or Pisces here. So meditate and contemplate. Under the deck, have faith in your dreams. So if you are dreaming about something big in your life, first you have to believe those dreams. So have faith in your dreams. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.